Nau mai ki te kōnai tuarua. This kōnai is about whānau ora and our approach to it across the rohe.
Most of you will be familiar with whānau ora and its origins, and how rangatira like Mason Jury, Tāria Naturia, Merepeka Raukaua Tate, and others have contributed to its success.
Whānau ora is a culturally based and whānau-centred approach to well-being. It positions whānau as the decision makers, who determine their own goals and aspirations. It is a model that focuses on strengths and building upon that.
Put simply, it's asking what matters to you and not what's the matter with you.
Te Tihi is one of many whānau ora partners across Aotearoa. Our role is to listen to the needs of whānau in our rohe and create innovative ways to support their moemoeā.
Our many initiatives are reflective of the whānau ora outcomes, which will be discussed in this kōnai.
You will hear from Merepeka Raukaua Tate, the chair of the Whānau Ora Commissioning Agency, on why whānau ora is critical to Māori success.
You will hear from leaders, whānau and kaimahi from our rohe as they share their insights into how whānau ora has supported their mahi and moemoeā.
E te iwi mātakitaki mai, ko te kōnai tuarua tēnei, ko whānau ora in action.